Well, una po, it's not really, the House did not file for petition for certiorari. There's no filing of mandamos from the House. It's not, it was initiated by, number one, a group associated with the Vice President. Number two, it's entirely an individual private citizen who filed for the petition of yung mandamos, no? For mandamos certiorari yung kinano. So, wala, kung titingnan po natin yung what transpired since the since the transmission of the articles of impeachment to the Senate, ang position po ng House of Representatives is very, very consistent. We will work according to the timetable of the Senate. We will prepare for the impeachment trial once it begins. So hindi po nag-iiba yung position ng House of Representatives on in particular ang prosecution team. We will still maintain our respect to our co-equal chamber, the Senate. Ang sinasabi po ng mga members ng prosecution panel every time they do interviews, yung kanilang opinion and how they would define the word forthwith. Because apparently, ang dami pong opinion yan. They are just sharing to the public what they think according to their opinion, what they think what they think is the intention of the framers of the Constitution when they included that word forthwith. And so again, we maintain our position that we will work according to the timetable that would be set by the Senate should they convene or once they convene into impeachment court. Wala pong pressure nang gagaling sa amin. Ang pressure po ay sa taong bayan. Sila po ang nagtatanong. The prosecution team is merely responding to the questions of the public.